Okay, check this out. I've been generating these 30, 30, 50 right here, 80 right here, and also $250 right here, $100, $30, $30 payments over and over again. And in today's video, guys, I want to show you how you can generate these payments yourself just by using Google and just by using Gmail. This is going to be a completely done for you method, and all you need to do is just copy and paste your affiliate links, switch out your affiliate links, and do exactly what I'm going to show you in the next few minutes. Using this method, I was able to make over $800 already myself, and if you're going to do it just the way I'm going to show you, which is a 2.0 version of this method, you can easily make over $400 for a single Google search. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below what you like the most about this video, and let's get started with this method. Oh, and also don't forget to check out my new channel called Incognito Profits, where I'm going to be posting videos about methods that you guys reported that you made money with them. So also check out the channel. The link is going to be in the first link in the video description, and also comment down below any method you already made money with so I can record it, put it on the channel, and help even more people make some money online. Now, the first thing what you need to do is you need to have a valid Gmail account, like valid Gmail address, email address. So just go to Gmail, just Google Gmail, and you can just sign up pretty much right here. Okay, you can just create a Gmail account right away. You need to have a Gmail account, and there's a couple of different reasons. If you're going to use other email providers, the method might not work as well as with the Gmail, but if you're going to use Gmail, it's going to be super simple, and the chances of you making money are going to be the highest ones. Okay, so this is the first part. Now the next thing, to actually make this amount of money, we need to grab a couple of affiliate programs. Now in this one, where I was getting paid like $250, you can see like if you're going to get just one sale or one commission just like this, yeah, making like $400 per day is not really that unseen with this method. And this was just for one Google search. Okay, imagine you are going to get paid 30, 250, 30, and 100. That's well over $400. Okay, now this is like obviously the best case scenario. You can make even more money than this. But also just making like a couple of $30 payments is more than enough to make some very easy money. So this is exactly what we need to do. Now we need to get a couple of affiliate programs to actually get paid this amount of money. So first you want to go to fiverr.com, and don't worry, we are not going to be buying anything. Just scroll down and click on affiliates right here, and it's going to take you to the affiliate program of Fiverr. Okay, or for some reason it did not take me there, so let me go there once again, and I should be there. Okay, then what you want to do is click on join now right here, or click on start earning now right here. And if you're going to check out the commission plan on Fiverr, you are getting paid anywhere from $150 for a single sale, which is most likely not going to be happening. I'm going to be completely honest. You are going to be getting paid from like $50 to $40. I don't really think you're going to get paid 30, but you are going to get paid like $50 to $40, okay, every single time. So you just want to sign up right here. You're gonna start earning now, and it's going to prompt you with this basic registration. Just make sure you're going to enter all the real info right here, because this is the network, one of the networks that's going to be paying you out. Then once you have your account ready, just click on login into your account, and you want to head over to marketing tools and go to default and deep links, because we want to be using an affiliate link from Fiverr, but we don't want to send people to Fiverr. Okay, we want to be sending them to a specific gig, because you're not going to be making money if you just send them to Fiverr in most cases with this method. We want to be promoting a specific gig. Now the specific gig you want to go for, you want to go to Fiverr and you want to search for Google Ads. Okay, go for Google Ads, and it's going to show you all these different gigs. Now the one that you want to pick up is the one that has the highest rating. Now from the first ones, this one has like 5 stars, which is awesome, for 24 ratings. Then 4.9, that's awesome as well, but yeah, if you can get 5 stars, that's the best. Then this person right here has 5 stars and over 500 ratings, so this is the one we want to be using. And then this one has like 5 stars and 25, so the highest amount of ratings and also the highest ratings possible. So 5 stars, 500, that's more than enough. Okay, so click on the gig, and then you want to copy the URL of this gig. Okay, so make sure you're going to copy it, go back to the Fiverr affiliate program, then click on the right here where it says dynamic parameters and LP URL. Click there, paste the link right here and hit enter, and it's going to add it to the Fiverr CPA. Now this is going to be the link we want to be using, because I'm going to copy it multiple times, so you can see I have copied it to my clipboard. I'm going to visit it, and now we are sending people directly to this affiliate link, and whenever they are going to make a purchase of this product or any product on Fiverr at all, we are going to get paid a commission. So this is going to be the first link. You want to save it into a notepad. Okay, so Fiverr affiliate link, add it right there, and I'm going to add it like this. Okay, so this is our Fiverr affiliate link. Now this is the first affiliate link. You also want to add another affiliate link, which is going to be our main hook of this method. This is what's going to be actually making it very possible for you to make money with this method. So you want to head over to this website, which is called partnerstack.com. You want to go to this website. Now there is no register button. What you want to do is you want to click on the login and then just register using Google. Okay, just do that. I don't know why I don't have like a register button right here. I don't really understand that. Now this is a network where I was actually getting these payments, these 30, 80, 250, 30, $100 payments. So this is the Partner Stack. You want to go to Partner Stack and you want to find this affiliate program. Now it's called Ad Creative AI, and you simply just want to go to the marketplace right at the top and search for Ad Creative, and I don't have it here because I already applied, but you simply just want to search for it. It's going to show it up like Ad Creative, and then click on join the program, and it's going to give you this kind of page. Okay, Ad Creative, and this is where you can actually promote. Now Ad Creative is pretty much an AI intelligence powered ad and social creatives tool that helps people to advertise their business, blah 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 blah, yada yada yada. But the thing is, what they actually have is they are official partner with Google Ads. Okay, and as official partner with Google Ads, they can pull on a couple of strings, and one of these strings actually is a $500 voucher for Google Ads. But again, with this website, we don't want to be promoting the website. That's what everybody does, promotes Fiverr and promotes the basic landing page. We want to be promoting the coupon because I mean that's like complete free value, right? Like a coupon. So click on this little bubble at the top right corner, just search for Ad Creative AI, click on this bubble, and you're going to land on this page. Pretty much a tutorial on how to actually get this coupon by signing up to Ad Creative. You want to copy the URL of this website, go back to Partner Stack, and okay, so this is the page, and you want to paste it right here and create a custom affiliate link, because the basic affiliate link goes to the main page that sells the software. The software is okay, but the $500 coupon, I mean, everybody wants to get that. So you want to just put it right here and then call your custom link something like 500 and pretty much a name of the month, okay, or something right now that's happening. So 500 coupon 2022 or something like that. I'm going to add a couple of random letters. I'll also delete this part, so I'm not going to take your suggestions, but you want to write there something that's going to entice people to click on it, and click on create, and then your link is going to be right here. Now if you're going to, like, you can see right here the default link right here, default one goes to Ad Creative AI. So when someone goes to this page, I mean, they might make a purchase, they might not make a purchase, but if they are going to go to this website right here, check it out, if they are going to make a purchase right here, then yeah, they are more likely because they are getting $500 of free Google advertising credit. So you simply want to copy this affiliate link again and put it into your notepad once again. So $500 voucher and put it right here. So now we have two affiliate links. One is for Fiverr and the second one is for the Google Ads voucher. The first one is Google Ads service and the second one is Google Ads voucher. Now, as you can imagine, you can actually sell the Google Ads service, and when people are going to be buying this service, the one thing that's going to be bothering them for sure, okay, because there's like obviously one-time fee to set it up on Fiverr, which is like $60, but they need to have a budget. And guess what? We can actually give them the budget of $500 as a voucher, and all they need to do is just sign up to Ad Creative, and yeah, that's it. And we are going to get paid for both of these, and we don't have to do any of the work. And now all you need to do is just go to Google and search for any local business in any huge city, for example barber in New York, and you're going to see there all these people advertising on the first page of Google. Now simply ignore them, go to the second page of Google right here, and you just want to click on any of these websites that are right here. Now these are again best barbershops in New York as well, but they are not on the first page position, and chances are they are not even advertising because they will be not showing up right here. They will be showing on the search results in the advertising format. Just go to any of these, for example this one right here, which is like fellow barber, and you pretty much want to find a contact details of this barbershop. Okay, just scroll down, usually it's at the bottom right here, connect, click on contact us, and you can see there all the email details right here of the person, and you simply want to send them a high converting email that's going to sell these two services. Now yeah, I know you don't have a high converting email, I know that, but I created one just for you guys that are watching till the end of the video, okay, because I want to give you the exact template you can simply copy and paste into your Gmail account, send it to these people, and it's going to completely sell these two services. And you simply just gotta send out a couple of emails. You don't have to do the work of the service, you don't have to do anything, just find these people, just search for local business in huge city and send them this exact email. Now the email goes like this: can we help you get more customers? Free $500 voucher included. Just this is the subject line, and then the body. This is very important. You want to make sure you're going to change the part after this one. Page position for the keyword, you want to make sure you're going to give them the keyword that you've been searching for, because if you're going to contact like a, I don't know, restaurant, and you're going to tell them that for a keyword the worst reviewed restaurant in somewhere, like they don't really care. You want to make sure you're going to put a keyword they actually care. Okay, if it's a barber in New York, they care about keyword barber in New York. Okay, so they are going to care about it, and then the text is going to sell them the service. And also as a bonus, they are going to receive the voucher pretty much right here. So you want to copy your first affiliate link for Fiverr, copy that and add it right here. So I'm going to unzoom it and add the link right there, apply and hit on enter. And then you pretty much want to add your second affiliate link, which is for the voucher right here. Okay, now make sure you're going to add them correctly, because otherwise they're going to miss them. Okay, and if they are going to click on the voucher and they are going to go to Fiverr, it doesn't make sense. They want to make sure, click on voucher, go to voucher, click on Fiverr, go to Fiverr. Okay, and this is the email, and you just copy and paste it and send it to these people, and yeah, the email is going to do all the work for you. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this method. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below, and also if you'd like to see another video that's highly recommended to you for making money online, then check out this one right here, and I'm going to see you there. Bye for now.